up? Welcome back to my channel. So today is a pool day with my girls and I'm so excited to show you all the fun that we are gonna have, and I'm already ready, so let's go. So guys, my brother is dropping me off at the pool and my friends are already there.
So guys, I've reached my destination. I can't pronounce this resort's name. Hi! Hi! Where this place is so beautiful. This place is underrated because it's not in the best location, but it's really beautiful. You can see.
She's Avantika and she's Trishala and guys, see this duck. Wow, so pretty, so pretty.
This is a riverside pool. Guys, I said underrated, but यहाँ पर तो आज तो बहुत ज़्यादा आदमी है, बहुत ज़्यादा ही है आज तो. लास्ट टाइम मैं जब आया था वहाँ तब तो कोई भी नहीं था, हम लोग का लाइक प्राइवेट पूल जैसा हुआ था.
So guys, this is my friend Anjali. आसमान को पड़ी. आपको क्या भन्छ, क्या बताना है ये मेरा वीडियो में.
Hi everyone, I am meeting her after a long time. सभी लोग लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब करो.
ये इतना लेट आया.
Do subscribe her channel. क्या बोलते रहो उसका नाम था? Her channel's name is Anjali Subba. I'll mention it in description.
this place forever. मलाई घर जानुपर्छ पैसा छैन.
Guys, I'm going back to bring Anjali because she is enjoying this place so much. Oi! That's not me! She loved this place so much. I really don't want to leave this place. Yeah, that's what. I just came here to... Guys, I really don't want to leave this place.
So guys, that's all for today's vlog. I hope you guys have enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Take care.